We're going to be working on finding the volume of different 3D figures. Hey guys, it's me, Miss Doolittle. So what we're going to work on right now is finding the volume of a cube. As you can see, this shape that I have right here is a cube. I know it's a cube because it's made out of squares, and also because all the sides are the same length. Every side is 5 millimeters. To find the volume, I know I need to use my formula. V equals the area of the base times the height. I wrote it out for you here as well. When I'm thinking about this, I need to think about, well, what is the base of a cube? What shape makes the base of a cube? Well, the shape of the base of a cube is a square, okay? So I'm going to rewrite my formula. Instead of having this capital B, this area of the base, I'm going to change it. I'm going to rewrite it as V equals, well, what's the formula for the area of a square? Well, it's length times width. So I'm going to rewrite that as L times width, but I'm not going to forget my height. Now I'm going to move over here to my shape, and I'm going to label. Well, I know my length is equal to 5. I know my width is equal to 5. And I know my height is equal to 5. So all I have to simply do is substitute. For my L, I'm going to plug in 5. For my width, I'm going to plug in 5. And for my height, I'm going to plug in 5. So V equals 5 times 5 times 5. When I do 5 times 5 times 5, I get the answer of 125. I don't want to forget my units, so that's millimeters, and anytime I'm finding volume, it's always going to be cubed, so millimeters cubed. Essentially what you're finding is the area of the base. So if we look here at our image, here's my base. It's a square. I find the area of that square, which is 25, and then I multiply it by the height. There's 5 millimeters, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, it's essentially 5 squares stacked on top of each other. All right, come in and see me if you need help.